Um, I have to figure out how to put the car seat in the car. My husband usually does it, but he's not around and it wasn't a planned trip. I'm sure it can be done. It shouldn't be that hard. I mean, it says belt here. Let's find the belt. Oh God. I need you to work with me. Oh God. Sorry. Praise the Lord. Wait. Oh God. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Oh, there. Yes, yes, yes. That should go there. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's a fine picture. Okay, I have to loosen up a bit. Yeah. I'll figure it out. Yeah, I figured it out. I have figured. Yeah, and I'm ready to go.